what we'll do today, we'll see what is the benefits of DevOps. Okay. Why companies are, hiring DevOps engineers. Okay. Fine. So there are few points that we'll see about DevOps tools and services. Okay. See, today we'll see guys, first 30 minutes, I'll explain that concept here. See, first 30 minutes. Okay. I will explain the concept. Then I will take up your questions. I'll take up your questions. Okay, fine. So just give me the first 30 minutes. I'll explain some things about DevOps. Then we'll take up the question and answers. All right, fine. So see here now, what is the benefits of DevOps? What is the benefits of DevOps? Okay. So see here now, what is happening here, before you are learning anything, before you are doing anything, you should know, right? Why are you doing? What you will get if you do this? What is your benefit? And what this will give me if I invest my time on this? Correct or not? Guys, please focus on the class. Please focus on the class. Okay. I'll take up the questions later on. First, enjoy the class. Then rest of the things we'll take care of. Fine. Correct or not? So now see, what is the benefits of DevOps? Okay. What we can do with DevOps. Okay. Why the tech companies? Why the tech companies? Who is tech companies here? Tech companies is like, Infosys, Deloitte, okay, Entity Data, and TCS, Cognizant, etc. These are all what tech companies. So why the tech companies are hiring DevOps engineers in bulk? In bulk. Okay. And why all the IT projects? Why all the IT projects? Why all the IT projects is being developed or getting implemented, okay, with the DevOps. Correct now? See, all these are absolutely relevant questions. You should know these questions, right? Then only your training, your, what I can say, investment of time, investment of money will give you some benefit. Correct or not? Just I am teaching, you are learning. Okay, it's going on. No, it shouldn't be like this. You should first ask these questions. Okay, what is the benefits of DevOps? What we can do with DevOps? Why the tech companies are hiring DevOps engineers in bulk? Okay, and nowadays, if you see here, all the IT projects is being developed or getting implemented with DevOps only. Why? Why this is happening? See, I'll tell you. What is the benefits of DevOps? See, I'll tell you. DevOps offers us a set of modern tools and services. Okay. DevOps offers us a set of modern tools and services with which the project implementation will become fast. Okay, will become fast. Suppose for an example, you are working in one IT project. You are working in one IT project and five tasks, okay, you were able to do in 9 hours. 5 tasks you are able to do in 9 hours. Then using DevOps, okay, we can do the same 5 tasks in 4 hours. The same 5 tasks, you can do it in 4 hours. How? How it is happening? Because of DevOps modern tools and services. Because of DevOps modern tools and services. These tools and services will make your work fast. These tools and services will ensure that whatever you are developing, mostly that you can do with the set of techniques, okay, with the help of some approach with which your productivity will get increased. Productivity will get increased means 5 tasks previously you were doing in 9 hours, maybe 4 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years back. See, 10 years back also we were having IT projects, right? 5 years back also we were having IT projects. On that time we were not using DevOps. We were using normal regular approach, that is called waterfall method, waterfall approach. Now we are using what? DevOps approach. So with DevOps, what you can do, the same 5 tasks you can do in 4 hours. Getting, guys, is that clear? Benefits of DevOps, I'm telling you. Okay, DevOps, see, DevOps makes easy for us to follow the process, procedures, and coordination and cooperation within the team. Okay, DevOps makes easy for us to follow the process, procedure, coordination and cooperation. Okay, coordination and cooperation in the IT projects development. In the IT projects development. See, very simple points, guys. Very simple points I'm telling you. Okay, you won't get these things in anywhere in Google also. My intention is here, you should understand the things here. What is the basic things that you have to understand? Okay, DevOps makes easy for us to follow the process, procedure, coordination, and cooperation in the IT projects development. Okay, fine. And third point I can say, okay, third point I can say is that with DevOps, okay, there is no particular role is needed like a manager here, like a manager. Okay, so with DevOps, the process is as such in DevOps that every team member, okay, he can work by himself, and who is working on what, all these things. Suppose in your team you are having some 10 members in your team, then all the 10 members can see who is working on what, when he has started, when he is going to finish, when that task is assigned to him. All these things are crystal clear. How it is clear? Because of this DevOps modern tools and services. Because of this DevOps modern tools and services. Correct or not, guys? So these are some benefits I am giving just to make you understand with very simple English here. Okay, what we can do with DevOps? What we can do with DevOps? See, the first foremost important thing that we can do with DevOps is we can, okay, do the automation. We can do the automation with DevOps. Okay, so the tasks or work which you are doing on daily basis, okay, with DevOps tools and services, okay, you can automate it. You can automate it. I'm going to show you automations also. We are going to see how we can implement the automations and all with the DevOps tools and services. Okay, we can do a lot of automation here. Okay, see here, we can do automation with CI/CD pipelines. Okay, we can do automation for repos. Okay, we can do automation with the PowerShell scripting. Okay, etc. Here, the first and foremost important thing that we can do with DevOps is that we can automate the process and we can automate the things which we are doing on regular basis, which we are doing on a regular basis. Okay. And moreover, the services what we are using in DevOps, the services what we are using in DevOps that are, okay, that services are more, okay, advanced, secure, reliable, advanced also, secure also, reliable also, as compared to other traditional services that we were using. Okay. And apart from that, with DevOps, there are many things that we can save, here. We can save our time. We can save our investments. We can save the cost. Okay. And we can give 99.9% accuracy of our delivery to our clients if we are developing the project with DevOps tools and services. Like this, many things we can do with the DevOps here. Okay. What we can do with DevOps, guys, please don't write this all points, whatever I'm writing. You will get this in the recording. In the recording, you will get it. No need to worry. Just to focus on the class. Just focus on the class. Everything you will get it in recording. No worries. Fine. Next, I'll tell you why tech companies are hiring DevOps engineers in bulk. Why tech companies are hiring DevOps engineers in bulk. Okay. Whatever you take. Okay. If you see here, see every IT project needs people. Every IT project needs people, okay, of all levels. All levels means what? All levels means they need freshers also. They need mid-level, okay, mid-level people. They need senior people, okay. They need technical leads, okay. They need functional experts. They need domain experts, etc. Correct na? See, I'll give you one example. If you are constructing an apartment, okay, listen, I'm giving you a very live example. If you are constructing an apartment, so can you complete your complete apartment from scratch to the end only with labors? No, right? You cannot complete your apartment only with labors. What you need many people of different skills. You need labors, of course. You need, okay, electricians. You need plumbers. You need carpenters. Okay. You need tiles expert, right? You need architect. You need interior designers, whatnot. You need people from different skills. Then only an apartment construction will get completed, right? Then only the apartment construction will be completed. Correct or not? In the same way, in any IT project, okay, any company, IT project is something like an apartment only. Okay, so here also they need people, freshers, they need mid-level, they need seniors, they need technical leads, they need functional experts, they need domain experts, they need scrum master, they need managers, scrum masters, they need managers, they need product owners, etc., etc., etc. The list just goes on. So don't be in an impression that, I am a fresher, I don't have an experience, do I get a job or not? This is completely a false and wrong assumption. See, if you take me as an example, I'm having 14 plus years of experience. So definitely somewhere, maybe 10 years back, 14 years back, 15 years back, I have also started as a fresher only now. Yes or no? Tell me. There are thousands and thousands of people who are doing IT jobs in Hyderabad only if you take. So everyone has started their career as experience only? No. Everyone has started as a fresher only somewhere down the line, before 5 years, before 10 years, before 15 years, before 12 years. Correct or not? So everyone has to go through this phase. Don't be in an impression that, I'm a fresher, I don't know anything. Will I get a job or not? For freshers, opening is there or not? If you think for freshers, if there is no opening, then what do you think? Whoever is joining, whoever is doing IT jobs, everyone is having IT experience like by birth? No, right? Somewhere at some point of time, definitely everyone has started as a fresher only. Correct or not, guys? In the same way, for any IT project, okay, if you take any company, okay, these companies, when they start an IT project, when they are having an IT projects, definitely they need people of all categories, all levels, with all different skill sets. The only thing that you need is knowledge. Knowledge. If you are performing well, if you are doing good in the interview, then either you are a fresher, you are a mid-level. Mid-level means like 3 years, 4 years of experience. Senior means more than 5 plus years of experience. Technical lead means more than 10 plus years of experience. Like this. So they need people of all these skills, all these levels. See, that's what I'm telling you. Can you complete your apartment construction only with laborers? No, laborers cannot do the electrician work. Laborers cannot do the plumber's work. Carpenters cannot do the tiles expert work. Architects who lay down the foundation, who will give the design and all, architects cannot work like a labor. So every project, we need people of different skills, different levels, different backgrounds and all. The only thing needed is your knowledge. Your knowledge is important. Correct or not, guys? In the same way here, why the tech companies are hiring DevOps engineers in bulk is because, firstly, the first important thing I'll tell you, okay, that everyone love to do, okay, if tech companies are hiring DevOps engineers, then they are saving a lot of amount, a lot of money, lot of money. Why? How? Because DevOps engineers knows very well how to use the DevOps tools and services. Okay, which is cheap, which is cheap, which is economical, okay, to use. And DevOps engineers can do, okay, automations. DevOps engineers can do automations with which it is not needed to have some dedicated persons to do the same repeated work. Correct now? If there is a work, okay, which is same repeated work. So the repeated work won't happen automatically, right? We have to dedicatedly keep some 4, 5, 10 people to do the same type of work. But if you take DevOps engineers can do the automations here. With that automations, there is no need to have the dedicated persons to do the same work. Automatically that work will happen. So with this, what is happening? Cost saving. With this, what is happening? Cost saving is happening here. Okay. Cost saving is happening and everyone wants to Everyone loves to do the cost saving. Everyone loves to do the cost saving. Correct or not, guys? Tell me. So DevOps engineers can do the automations. We are going to learn the automations, guys. We are going to learn automations from Azure CI/CD pipelines. We are doing automations in Azure repos. We are doing automations in PowerShell. Okay. We are doing with Bash scripting. Okay. Many things we are doing. How we can run the CI/CD pipelines automatically. That we are going to do the labs. That labs are very advanced labs. I'll show you how we can do the automations also in DevOps concepts. So these are the benefits. Okay, and also implementing the projects, implementing the IT projects, okay, with the DevOps is cost effective. Is cost effective. Okay, so here companies here don't need, okay, all these softwares, licenses, okay, platforms, okay, agents, okay, whatnot, etc., etc. This all is needed, na guys? This all is needed, na, to develop the IT project. So the companies has to invest lot of amount. But when you are using DevOps, then many of the tools and services you will use it. Okay, you will use it, and then you have to pay very minimal charges accordingly as per your usage and consumption. This I'll explain in detail in the upcoming classes. In the upcoming classes, this I'll explain in detail. No need to worry. Okay. So as the tech companies are going these many benefits with DevOps engineers, that's why they are hiring DevOps engineers in bulk. In bulk. Even one more important thing is that the clients, okay, like US people, European people, okay, etc. Okay, they are also telling these tech companies, okay, the clients are also insisting, forcing these tech companies, who? These tech companies. Okay, the clients like from US, Europe, and Singapore, okay, variety of different places, especially from Western countries, and this one we can say here South Asian countries also. They are forcing these tech companies to hire DevOps engineers, The people who are having, okay, who are having 5 years or more than 5 years of experience, okay, they are also learning DevOps. They are also learning DevOps. That's what I'm telling you now. When the entire project itself is getting developed in DevOps, then definitely irrespective of your role, whatever you are, you have to learn DevOps. I have seen live examples, people more than 10 years of experience also learning DevOps now. That is the benefits and advantages we are having with DevOps. Okay, guys, is that clear? Now, why all the IT projects is being developed and getting implemented with DevOps? Why all the IT projects are getting implemented in DevOps? Because it's very simple. The maintenance, okay, is very less when you implement the IT projects with DevOps. Okay. Developing the projects, okay, with DevOps tools and services is very much cost effective. Okay. Fine. And the productivity and efficiency will increase, okay, up to 70% with the DevOps tools and services. With DevOps tools and services. Okay. Like this, many benefits, many advantages we are having. That's why all the IT projects is being developed and getting implemented with the DevOps. With DevOps. In DevOps, see, in DevOps, okay, what we are doing here in DevOps, we are directly using the DevOps tools and services. Okay, the maintenance, okay, the maintenance, and what I can say here, management, okay, responsibility of all these DevOps tools and services will be taken care by your cloud vendor, not you. Not you. You are just using the tools and services. You're just using the DevOps tools and services. The maintenance of the tools and services, the management of the tools and services, the responsibility of the tools and services, the downtime of the tools and services, everything will be taken care by your cloud vendor. You are not bothering. You are not responsible. You are not supposed to take care of even a single thing. Whatever you are using, that you are going to pay. That you are going to pay. That is very simple. Whereas in previous approaches, everything is your responsibility. Every software, every platform, every framework, every agent, every Windows, everything is your responsibility. That was a big headache. That's why this is also one of the strongest reasons that the projects is being developed and getting implemented with the DevOps. See guys, I'll tell you one thing. Whatever I have written here, right from the top. See, whatever I have written here, this you won't get anywhere in Google, I'm telling you. I'm just making you understand in a very simple English. So you should know why, what, for what purpose, why I'm doing this and all. This should be clear to all of you. Okay, that's why I have given you here. What is the benefits of DevOps? Okay, what we can do with DevOps, what tech companies are hiring DevOps engineers, why tech companies are hiring DevOps engineers, and why all the IT projects has been developed and implemented with DevOps. Simple English points I have written here. If you put this in Google, you will get 100 articles. 100 articles, you will get it if you put these questions in the Google. But my intention here is, to make you understand in a simplest language. Okay, is that clear? No, Azure DevOps is part of an Azure only. See, I'll tell you one thing here. See how it is going to be. See, listen. Assume that this is your Azure cloud computing. This complete round circuit is your Azure cloud computing. This is your, okay, Azure cloud computing. Okay, this round circle. This is your Azure cloud computing, this round circle. Now here you are having one department, as we call it as what? DevOps. You are having one department. Okay. You can call it as data engineer. There is one more department, you can call it as admin. There is one more department, you can call it as containers. There is one more department, you can call it as AI plus ML. Artificial intelligence plus machine learning. There is one more department, you can call it as databases. So all these are what? These are basically the different parts of cloud computing. These are all the different parts of cloud computing. So here you are learning which part? DevOps part. Here you are learning DevOps part. Okay. So in Azure cloud computing is a very big ocean. In this, we are having multiple departments. So suppose for an example, if you take an example of a movie, we are having a movie. Let us take some movie which is the hit movie recently, RRR. Okay, RRR was the super hit movie, right? So in a movie, if you see, we are having production separate department. Okay, and what I can say, actor actresses separate department, event managements and all separate department, casting. Okay, casting is a separate department. Direction is a separate department. In the same way here, Azure cloud computing is a very big ocean. In this, we are learning DevOps. So when you say you are an DevOps engineer, so they will take interview on these concepts only, on DevOps concepts only for you. If you are learning data engineering, then they will take your interview on data engineering concepts. If you are saying in your resume you are an admin, Azure admin, then they will take your interviews on Azure admin concepts. Like this it goes. Okay. Docker and containers we are covering. Kubernetes, Docker and containers we are covering. This we are covering. Okay, fine. Is that clear? Many concepts are there. I have already given the syllabus here. I hope it is clear to Raghu now what is DevOps, Azure and DevOps. Okay, fine. Yes, Gopi Naidu, we are covering the Windows VMs and Linux VMs. How we can deploy Windows servers and Linux servers in Azure DevOps or in cloud computing, that we are covering. No worries. Fine. All right, guys. Now I'll give you the time for the question and answers. Okay. No need to worry, guys. In the recordings, you will get everything. You will get all these things in the recording. No need to be panic. Okay. When you open the recording, you will get all these things. No need to write. No need to be hassle from where we can get this. Okay. You will get every single thing in the recording. So Arif is there. Arif, can I request you to put the recordings of previous classes so that students can refer it? I am providing you the material.